وذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين.
Assalamu alaikum, brother. I always wondered how the surahs actually got their names. I mean, it's like what are actually predetermined by Allah in general, and then upon revealing the surah through Jibreel to the Prophet alayhi salam, was it like?
I can tell you. So there are some narrations in which the Prophet himself described a surah by a name. So those seems to be the Prophet named them.
Okay, so
Right? There are other surahs in which the companions gave the surah many names.
Okay.
It seems to me that the surahs don't officially have a name from Allah, generally speaking, that they are remembered by the most prominent feature of that
Okay. So
surah, the most
basically
unique.
of the content, kind of.
Yeah, or some unique part of that surah. Like, obviously, Surah Al-Baqarah has very little to do with a cow,
Yeah.
but the story of the cow is a very unique feature of that surah. And the family of Imran is not talked about anywhere else in the way that it is in Surah Al-Imran. So it seems to me that in every surah, something that really seems to make that surah, give it a unique signature, is the one that kind of the name got coined with.
Okay.
There were some surahs where it's just the opening is unique. So Surah Taha becomes Taha, things like that, right? And there are Al-Mu'awwadhatayn or Hudun, Shayabatni Hudun wa akhawatuha, Hud and its sisters made my hair gray. So it could be that the Prophet ﷺ named many of them, if not all of them. That's also possible.
Okay, good. Because that question was kind of bothering me for quite a time, and I didn't get.
Yeah, it's almost as though the names are not as important as the contents.
Yeah, of course they're not,
Yeah.
but I just wanted to know the background of the naming in general. Okay, thank you very much.